Good morning, everyone. The app that you guys have all been waiting for is about done and is in testing and beta phase. It's just in a dictionary. So if you click on it, you get the little login screen. You do log with Facebook, Twitter, or Gmail, or you can skip it. And you get your Diné Dictionary. And then you got your slide out button. Dictionary categories, recent, word of the day, clanship app, which is going to be pretty cool. You enter your clans there. And if you go to switch keyboard, anything that you're going to type, you're going to get the Navajo keyboard. So that's just a little sneak peek. Stay tuned.